With volatility in crypto finally picking back up, it seems like people are starting to understand that we've got a lot coming up that could drive the price of Shiba Inu Coin, Bitcoin, and the rest of the meme coin sector much, much higher than current levels. We're going to be going over that in this video. We're also going to be talking about the fact that, dude, burns were just rising, and now we have a 7,911% increase in burns once again. People are still out there. People are still burning Shiba Inu Coin, and they are absolutely keeping it alive. And if you guys haven't seen Pepe Unchained, you absolutely need to check this token out right here. 1 day, 8 hours left, and this price is probably going to be at a penny. And they're probably going to have raised over $20 million. Let's discuss it. If it sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. What's up, everybody? I'm Clay, and as you can see, we got Pepe Unchained on the screen. We're going to talk a little bit more about this guy in a second here. He's closing in on $20 million raised in this pre-sale. He's closing in on a 1 cent price point. He's closing in on something a lot of pre-sales have not been able to do in a very long time. But first, let's talk Shiba Inu Coin, man. The price action is looking beautiful. Volatility is up, which is going to attract more traders. More traders mean more volume. More volume means more potential gains, and more potential gains mean FOMO. And if retail investors return with that FOMO rally, it is going to be easy to break through resistance levels. Now, it goes on to say that SHIB has witnessed a massive spike in the burn rate over the last 24 hours, providing a bullish outlook for the second largest meme coin by market cap. This development is significant as the surge in Shiba Inu Coin's burn rate could help spark a rally to the all-time high. Do you know how good it feels to say SHIB could be reaching an all-time high of that 8,800 point per coin level? SHIB burn data shows that Shiba Inu Coin's burn rate is sparked by 7,911% in the last 24 hours, with 282 million SHIB tokens burned during this period. One transaction accounted for most of the tokens, and then meanwhile, another 7.2 million SHIB tokens were burnt in a single one transaction. It's also worth mentioning that the 281.9 million SHIB tokens burned in the last 24 hours also account for the most tokens I don't know what a token is. Tokens burned in the last 7 days, with 312 million SHIB tokens burned during this period, and this represents a 1,731% surge in the weekly SHIB burn rate. Now, it could catalyze SHIB to reach a new all-time high. I'm going to disagree with that part. Okay, I don't think that the burns at the current levels are going to ignite the interest in Shiba Inu Coin necessary to see an all-time high reached. I don't know the size of the actual liquidity pools when Shiba Inu Coin was at its all-time high, but I imagine, guys, that we need tens of millions of dollars flowing into Shiba Inu Coin. Those are net inflows. Tens of millions of dollars if we expect SHIB to reach its all-time high prices once again. Now, it's not going to be easy, but there are, and a lot of people aren't talking about this one, right? I talk about the election potential, I talk about the interest rate potential, but it's recently been announced that every single FTX investor is not only going to be made whole, but is going to be made whole with interest as well. Over $8 billion were supposedly lost by Sam Bankman-Fried, right? And I got my own theory about that as well. The dude was a genius, so unless he was completely mentally messed up on mind-altering substances, let's say it that way, that guy didn't lose $8 billion, okay? He knew exactly where it was. I think he's a pawn in a much bigger scheme because they just so happen to find the $8 billion plus interest to pay back all of these FTX investors. Where do you think that money's going to go? Sure, some of them are going to give up. Sure, some of these people that get paid out are going to give up and never join the crypto world again. I would say the vast majority, we are talking billions of dollars, will flow back into cryptocurrency. It's going to be added on top of everything that the institutions have been putting in over the last year. And you're going to see a bull market rally like you don't even expect. And when that happens, the price of Shiba Inu Coin is going to rip through the roof. But it's not just going to be Shiba Inu Coin. It's going to be the rest of the meme coin market and the cryptocurrency market as well. Guys, and Pepe Unchained is a major contender to see some of those gains. Doing $20 million in pre-sale activity so far is phenomenal, but the whales are loading up. $61,000 in a single purchase by this whale. And it's because these guys are building some of the best ecosystem, I guess, developments out there. If I start this over, you can see that they're building a layer 2 blockchain, sure. It's got its own block explorer, but they're also including a decentralized exchange, a bridge, advanced analytics, and of course builder grants in this as well. They're taking some of that $20 million that they're raising and they're passing it out to developers so they can have the best of the best building D-apps in the entire cryptocurrency space. You know, if you look at Satoshi and Cal, one of the biggest mistakes they made, and then they continue to make, is promise this and promise that, and then 2, 3, 4 years down the road, they finally start to build it, and then they lead with more promises. How long did it take Shiba Swap to get up and running? They're going to have a decentralized exchange with Pepe Unchained probably on day one. A bridge. How long did it take the bridge between Shibarium and the Ethereum network? The bridge is going to be built for Pepe Unchained. These guys are building something massive, and they've got the money to pass out grants as well, which is huge. Now, guys, one of the things that I'm most excited about in this upcoming bull market is people's ability to accumulate now and accumulate on leverage if you would like. One of the top centralized exchanges that I think is available in the United States right now is the KSX exchange. I started using these guys just a little over a week ago. I've got an affiliate link, and of course they're rewarding people that use the affiliate link with up to 370 USDT if, of course, you fill out a couple of the tasks and stuff that they have going on out there. But guys, 370 USDT can help you stack up. Now imagine, and I don't recommend leverage, right? Leverage is very risky, but all of these meme coins can be traded on leverage. So imagine you go out there and 10x on a leverage account. Your 370 USDT turns into 3,700 USDT. And then imagine you go out there during a bull market and you 5x again. Now all of a sudden we're talking about $20,000 that you've got stacked up simply because you decided to take action. Now I like the KSX exchange because, yeah, sure, you have Shiba Inu Coin available, but you've got all of these other meme coins available as well. I have been loading up on Iggy Azalea's mother token and Andrew Tate's daddy token. Both of these tokens have been performing phenomenally over the last couple of weeks, and they've got a lot of potential. Now, Mother Token, if you guys do want to load up on this, you can actually trade this on leverage as well, up to 20x leverage. Now, I can't do that. I own Mother Token out on a decentralized wallet, but I bought it on Radium. I'm not trading it on leverage, but you get 20x leverage. Now, of course, that is risky. That means if it moves down 5% in value, you're going to bust your margin account. They're going to close out your trade. But, of course, if it goes up just 5%, and it swings 5% every single day. It swings between probably 5 and 25% every single day. Guys, if it moves up 5%, you doubled your money. Leverage has risks. Leverage has rewards. Please use them wisely. And also, if you guys want to contribute to the burns for Shiba Inu Coin, use those links down there in the description, especially the Amazon link. Anything and everything that you guys buy normally on Amazon can burn Shiba Inu Coin. Make sure to check it out. Let me know what you think, and until the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.